Hi, my name is Brad Goss, and I want to tell you about a really cool new way that you can build backlinks called rrsonator. rrsonator is essentially a piece of software that you can put on your server, and it allows you to dynamically create RSS feeds that contain the links to your backlinks. So one of the biggest problems people have is they'll go out and they'll have backlinks built for their website, but they won't do anything to get those backlinks, those pages that have links back to your website, indexed by Google. And one of the best ways to do that is to have an RSS feed of all the different links that go to those different pages. And of course, creating an RSS feed without any software is kind of difficult. The guys who put rrsonator made this really simple. The guys who put this together made it really simple, and I want to show you how it works. So this is the rrsonator screen that you're presented with on your desktop. And if you take a look here under account settings, it's got Facebook, Twitter, and OnlyWire. So essentially what this is you can plug in your Facebook account, your Twitter account, and an OnlyWire account, and it allows you to make sure that all of the new content that gets put into your RSS feed goes out to Twitter, goes out to Facebook, and goes out to OnlyWire. And you can also submit these RSS feeds to RSS directories. That's going to help you get indexed faster and actually help to increase the strength of your backlinks. So I'm here in the create a feed section. So I'm just going to create a new feed here called Brad's Backlinks. And I'll give it an actual title here. It'll be, now realistically I wouldn't want to call this Brad's Backlinks, but just for the sake of discussion, we're going to do that. You might want to call it, something to do with your niche and news, or, something links. Like, if you're, let's say you're in the diabetic niche, it might be, diabetes resources or something like that might be a good feed title. And then for the feed description, again, I'm just going to type in backlink building, just for the sake of us doing this. And you can pick a category here. This is just for OnlyWire and some of the other things. A couple of tags, so we can say, business, web marketing, RSS software, maybe SEO. And I would, in most cases, I would tell it to auto tweet, auto post to Facebook, all these other things. That's going to help you get more traction out of each feed submission that you do. In this case, I'm not going to do that because I haven't connected my account, so I'm just going to click submit. And you can see here that it's already got a test feed that's created for me. I was playing around with this earlier, and now it's got Brad's backlinks. So if I click on Brad's backlinks, it's actually going to show me a 404 error right now because I don't have anything added to the feed yet. So what I'm going to do is, it says here, don't forget to grab your button. So this is the rrsonator toolbar button. And if you don't know what this is a bookmarklet. So essentially every browser uses a toolbar or has some kind of a toolbar. This is the toolbar for rrsonator, the button for rrsonator. If you just drag it up to the toolbar of your browser, this is Opera, you can see here that it's created a little rrsonator link. Little bookmark link. This is what they call a bookmarklet. So essentially what happens here is an action will be performed on your software when you click on this. I'm going to show you how that works in a second. So I'm going to go to, this is just one of my Warrior special offers, or one of the Warrior special offers run by one of my partners. And as you can see, now I'm on this page. This page has a link back to a website that I find important, that I want to, this is one of my websites that I'm a partner in. I want to index this particular backlink page, this page that has a link back to my website, faster. So I'm just going to click this rrsonator button. And you can see here it takes me to adding page to a feed. And so now I can choose my feed, Brad's Backlinks. Okay, it's pulled the title in, it's pulled the description in. And down here at the bottom I have this option where I can add it now, or I can add it to the drip feeder. And you can actually set up how the drip feeder works, and you can set it up so that if you're doing 100 of these in an hour, or you have an assistant doing 100 of these in an hour, you don't want every link to be added to that RSS feed every few minutes or every few seconds, or how many of these you're doing. So what you want to do is you want to add it to a drip feed, and you can set how often those links are added to that drip feed. So you can basically set up a queue of 100 links and maybe have it go out 1 per hour and have it take 100 hours, or say like 4 days or something like that. In this case, I'm just going to add it now, and I'm going to click Add Page. And that's it. I've done all I need to do. And if you click on my feed, you can see here, this is Opera's little feed reader showing me how this particular feed would look. Here is the first RSS entry, which if I click on it, takes me right back to that Warrior special offer.